Routing gateway options in VOS3000. Go to Management Operation, then click on Gateway Operation, and then click on Routing Gateway, then click Filter. For search by gateway ID, check on Gateway ID option and write Gateway ID. For search by account ID, check on Account ID option and write Account ID. For search by account name, check on Account Name option and write Account Name. For search by gateway prefix, check on Gateway Prefix option and write Gateway Prefix. Then click Filter. For search by IP, check on IP option and write IP. Then click Filter. Select No Lock and click Filter. Unselect No Lock and select Static, then click Filter. Once select Static, then select Dynamic and click Filter. Unselect Dynamic, then select Bar All Calls. Then click Filter.